Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a VPN app which will help you to add an extra layer of security when you are using the internet. This app will also help you to secure your connection when you are online, and this app it is on Google Play Store. So let me take this chance to welcome all of you on this channel. And let me take this chance to announce that on this channel we always share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security, and also we share apps that can help you to enhance on your online connection. So you are in the right place in case you need to secure your connection. And when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app. It is called TXternal VPN, and straight away you pick this one. And this app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. This app it is called the External VPN. The app will help you to gain access to the internet when you are secure and when your connection is also secure. And in case it is your first time to visit this channel, please you take this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And when you reach in the app interface, kindly you tap on the three lines, the four buttons in the upper right left corner, just like that. And make sure you have internet on your device. So you click on this button which says server status. And when you tap on this button, you will see many of the available servers. So you pick a server which is online. For example, server 3, server number 3, it is online, and you tap on it, you pick that server. And after picking a server, you go back, and after like that, you are required to pick the network. So for today's guide, we are gonna use the all country UDP. This is because UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. So make sure to pick UDP in case your country supports UDP. And if your country doesn't support UDP, you tap here, then you can pick your country name. And after that, you are required to add the time. So you tap on this add time button. Just in case this app runs out of time, it will stop working. So make sure to add on time so that your connection is assured for a long period. And after that, you are required to insert a secure connection. And by tapping on this start button, this app will be connected. And that's how we set up the external VPN to get a secure connection, extra protection as you are browsing online. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.